President Tinubu allocates 108 billion naira to state for flood and erosion control. In a significant move to address the recent flood disasters, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has approved a massive fund of 108 billion naira for the 36 states of Nigeria. This crucial funding aims to combat flooding and other natural disasters plaguing the nation. Vice President Kashim Shettima reviewed this development at the State House in Abuja. Speaking about the recent flooding in Maiduguri, Shettima described it as a national calamity. The Vice President emphasized the President's commitment to partnering with states to tackle these challenges. Each state will receive 3 billion naira to address immediate concerns, ensuring all parts of the Federation feel supported and included.
The President has shown the zeal, the willingness and commitment to partner with the states towards addressing those issues. Recently, he approved the release of 3 billion naira to each state of the Federation to address some of these challenges. All parts of the Federation should have a sense of buy-in and belonging.
During the meeting, Shettima welcomed House of Representatives Speaker Abbas Tajuddin, praising his leadership in maintaining stability in the National Assembly, despite having a majority of newly sworn-in members. Speaker Tajuddin expressed his condolences to the government and people of Borno State. He assured that the National Assembly would provide support to the affected communities, stating, "We share your pains, we share your concerns, and we are together in this from the beginning to the end."
The National Assembly will look through to see what kind of support we'll be able to give to the people affected. We are very sorry, Your Excellency, for what has happened. We share your pains. We share your concerns. We are together in this from the beginning to the end. We shall allow it to come to pass and people will go back to their normal lives and businesses.
And the Speaker promised that efforts would be made to help people regain their livelihoods, emphasizing the legislature's commitment to working alongside the executive in providing necessary relief. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more updates.